Welcome to the world where scholarships unlock doors to a brighter future. This is a realm overflowing with potential, a place where dreams are nurtured and ambitions fueled. Ever thought about how you could tap into these overflowing pots of gold that can potentially transform your life? Today, we are here to help you do just that. We are going to unravel the secret strategies that have helped countless students secure scholarships worldwide. First and foremost, start early. The early bird catches the worm, as the saying goes, and it applies here too. The earlier you start applying, the more options you will have. Tailor your application, fit the requirements of each scholarship. This could mean spending more time on each application, but the rewards are worth it. Pen a compelling essay. Your essay should not just be a list of your achievements, it should tell a story that is uniquely yours. Your application is your personal story, so make it shine. Make sure it reflects your personality and your aspirations. Let your passion for your chosen field of study shine through. Proofread, edit, and showcase your achievements. Don't rush the process. Take your time to ensure everything is perfect. Financial need? Don't shy away from demonstrating it. Many scholarships are based on financial need, so this could work in your favor. And what if you've exhausted all scholarship avenues? Don't be disheartened. Venture into grants, work-study, and institutional aid. There are numerous alternatives out, and one of them might just be right for you. The journey to securing scholarships demands determination, resilience, and patience. It's not always an easy path, but the rewards, they are truly priceless. So keep going, hold on to your dreams, and never lose sight of your goals. Your future, filled with unimaginable opportunities, awaits.